Hello, hello. Today is another very busy day. Jared and I are so busy with Adventure Hunt. It's incredible, but it's good. It's good to be busy when you're an entrepreneur. It's good to be busy with business. I'm in kind of some lazy lounging clothes for the day. I'm gonna go run a few errands to pick up some stuff we need for Adventure Hunt. Gonna take you guys along for the ride. Want to tell you a little bit more about Adventure Hunt and even show you our promo video. Jared put together this video. It's very cool. This will explain kind of what our event is all about. We would love to do an event for you, so please check out adventurehunt.com. And if you or someone you know works at a business that could use some team building events, either for the employees in-house or as a cool marketing event for clients or potential customers and things like that, we specialize in this stuff. It's a ton of fun. We've done it for huge companies and small companies, and so we would love to work with you. Actually, a few of you have hit us up from these videos here on YouTube, and we even did an event for one company based on a YouTube video that Jared had put out, so thank you to them. It was very fun. But check out the video. You'll learn a little bit more about Adventure Hunt, and yeah, let me know what you think.
That was probably the best day of my life.
It was one of the best days we've had this year.
It was the coolest experience ever.
Red Frog Beach is amazing. Panama equals paradise.
Okay, I've had a little GoPro mishap here. I broke, by the way, update on my hand, check that out. Almost 2 weeks in, still looks like that. But it's getting better every day. I Neosporin it quite a bit, and I let it breathe a bit, and then I Neosporin it. Ribs are getting better, thank you for caring. Anyway, broke the GoPro handle that I use. It actually just snapped in half. So I'm gonna try and super glue it here, using my phone currently to film, but I thought this might be a fun little thing. Crazy glue, you guys ever use crazy glue? I'm gonna test it out right here. I guess I gotta do this pretty quick. I figure if I goop as much around it in it as I can, I'll have the best chances for success. Hold that tight. About 30 seconds, then I'm gonna goop more around it, and then probably even do some tape around the outside just to see how well that holds. All right, I'm gonna goop the outsides now. Try and reinforce it. I need that Flex Seal stuff, right? You guys see those Flex Seal commercials? The guy like tapes a boat together, saws it in half, and tapes it back together. Jerry Seinfeld did a whole bit on that when I went to see him the other night. It's really funny. Okay, well, we'll let this dry and then probably tape it, but here's kind of what we're looking at. I also have this shoe goo stuff, which I haven't used too much. In fact, I don't even know when I got this. I don't remember ever repairing a shoe, but this shoe goo seemed like pretty sticky, adhesive, strong stuff, so maybe I'll try that next. But for now, we'll see how the crazy glue does. Fun little neighborly Halloween thing just happened. Got a little treat on the porch with this. It's not written very well. Well, the print is not very good, but it says, "We've been booed." So you're supposed to put this in your window so the other neighbors know that you've been booed. And then this note kind of explains how it works. And basically, I'll just read it. So you're supposed to keep it going. These are the treats I got, by the way. Candy corn and these Pim's orange little biscuit things, which are delicious, by the way. And you're supposed to basically return the favor. So I'm supposed to make a copy of this, and then a copy of this, and then this I'm supposed to put in my window so everybody knows I've been booed. And then I go leave a treat for somebody else who does not have one of these in their window. And then of course I give them both of these so they can then keep the whole tradition going. So very cool neighborhood I live in. Got some nice treats. These I don't love candy corns, but these little Pim's orange things, which I've never even heard of before, they are so good. So, very curious, do you guys do some fun Halloween traditions in your family or in your neighborhood? If so, please comment below. Okay, so very funny story. I'm running errands and went to Hobby Lobby, which I'm gonna go to another one right now. Actually, we're trying to raid them of all their fake gold coins. And went to a place called Printmark. Here it is. Great store, used to be called Cougar Copy. It's right south of BYU campus, and they do tons of stuff for us with making copies, laminating. We just made these cool letters to put in treasure chests and stuff. I can't show them too much because it's got the company name on there that we're doing it for. But yeah, great company. Check them out if you're ever in Provo. Printmark. They do all the copying and stuff for us. And so the lady, we're really good friends with her because we've been in there so many times. Because our office used to be pretty close to here. It's not anymore. We've moved it quite a bit north. But I just love these guys. They do great work. They're inexpensive, so I still come here. Anyway, her kids have been watching all of the Bingham channel YouTubes, and she's like, I've been seeing you on YouTube. My kids love your channel. They love your family's channels. Like, you guys are so awesome. So very, very cool. Like, and again, this all started because of This Is How We Bingham and my brother Brandon and his wife Mindy and their kids. It all stemmed from them. And there's so many people out there that love them so much that now they watch us. So that was just another very cool experience. So thank you guys for watching and caring. You are the greatest. Please always share our videos, subscribe and comment and like and spread the good word. We love you guys. So that was like another just really cool experience. I should have maybe filmed her, but I didn't want to seem too, I didn't want to fangirl too hard over her. Fangirl's the term, but you get the idea. This place has all the knickknacks your heart could ever desire. All right, we went to 2 Hobby Lobbies and we're able to get quite a bit of loot. A lot of the fake gold coins and rubies from 2 stores. Should have enough now to ship off some of the boxes tonight because I got a bunch back at the office at my house. And yeah, so far so good. Now I got to run to Walmart, get some boxes, and we'll be good to go. This place really has everything. They've caught on. They're no dummies. They know Amazon's taking over, so they got their pickup now, trying to get away and switch over. But if you need it now, you gotta come here. Maybe something along these lines could be perfect for my giving back in the neighborhood. The bee thing. Ghost, scary. That's pretty good. That's the one. Here's all the boxes and packing goods. Funny story, we used to do these. These are the perfect size, by the way. We used to use these for KZ, me and Jared, all the time. I was in here all the time picking up this stuff. So we had all the goodies we needed. Tape. I'll probably get a handful of these too. Yeah, this is bringing back some good memories, I remember this too. Get a big ball of this stuff. All the memories of entrepreneurship in the early days. All right, that was pretty easy. In and out at Walmart in probably less than 10 minutes. Got all the stuff I need. Now I gotta go home and box it all up and ship it off. It's one of those days, it's kind of a tedious day, but it's a necessary day where you end up getting a lot done, but it's stuff that you don't necessarily love. But it is getting me out of the office, out of the house, which I like. And I am curious, do you guys prefer Walmart or Target or someplace else, or do you not really care? Comment below. And you know me, you know I'm returning this cart where it belongs. Do not leave your cart out and about. That is super annoying. This parking lot actually seems pretty clear of carts. Doesn't hurt that there's stations everywhere, but yes, always, always, always return your cart. Okay, man, we are busy. We are very, very, very busy. It's actually taken a lot of effort to even get these clips out. So thank you for watching, by the way. I know this is not the most exciting video, but I hope you like this day-to-day stuff, because what we see on Instagram, for instance, which I am guilty of, is really just the highlights, the fun, glamorous, awesome stuff, the vacations, the most epic moments that we have in life. This vlog and some of my last couple videos have been more of the day-to-day. This is a normal day for me. Super busy, swamped with work, trying to get deals done and make money like the rest of us. but it's been fun. So I am gonna take a couple minutes to run over to my neighbor's house. I'm gonna take it to my friend Alexa. She's one of my good friends. She's the one that mows my lawn, if you've seen that. And I do pay her, of course. But I'm gonna do the little You've Been Booed Halloween thing to her. So I got the stuff. Where is it? Oh, it's out here. But yeah, I've got the note. I'm watching the little Major League Baseball playoffs. Yeah, I've got the notes here. So they'll put that in their window. We've been booed. And then boom, the little pass along note. And then, of course, the treats, the scary ghosts. Reese's white chocolate, gonna be delicious. Hey, this is her house. I feel like maybe people are here though. They've already been booed. They got a nice colorful one. Okay, gotta find a new house. Part of me actually wonders if she started it or her sister, who also lives in the neighborhood. They're kind of cool like that. Looks like they've been booed. And everyone's already been, was I dead last in the neighborhood? These guys don't have one, and they're really nice. They brought me stuff when I first moved in. So I'm gonna go right here to these guys. Oh, gonna take a few minutes to relax. Got a delicious sandwich, low sodium V8. Got the game on, and I think this is dry. Seems pretty solid too. Put some tape around it and be sure. This is my life right now. Spreadsheets and emails, boxes to pack, and my Nationals about to go to the World Series, which, by the way, if they win this game, which I believe they will, they'll win the series. Even if they lose this game, they got 3 more chances to win just one game to win the series. They will be in the World Series, and as my favorite team, I gotta go to at least a game, right? Comment below if you think I should go to one of the World Series games, or maybe 2 if the Nationals make it there. What's up, guys? I am just walking into my clubhouse. We've got a gym here at the clubhouse in my neighborhood. It's part of the HOA, which I love. There's also a really nice pool and hot tub. Pool is, of course, closed for fall and winter. But I'm gonna sign off for the night. I'm gonna get a quick workout in, then dive right back into work. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Actually, it's not. It's gonna be work, but work can be fun. But I wanted to thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for watching, sharing, commenting, liking. I love all of you. And I leave you with a quick tour of the clubhouse. Oh, I'm leaving Vasa, as you can see, and at the end of my workout I was on the stair stepper, and the girl next to me on the stair stepper, I thought I saw her spit like directly onto the machine, and I was like, nah, there's no way. And so I get on my machine, start doing my stair stepper thing, and then sure enough she does it again like a few minutes later, like directly onto the stairs of the stair stepper, and I'm like, okay, that's really weird. I know you can kind of get a little spitty when you're doing that, but to just spit onto the machine seemed odd. So I was hoping she would wipe it up when she left. She got a little rag thing and wiped the sweaty handles off, but she left like 2 loogies on the stairs. And I should have said something. I didn't. I regret it and I apologize. But correct me if I'm wrong, but that's like totally a party foul at the gym. Am I right?